In today's video, we're talking about another great case result from our defense team here at the R&R Law Group. This is a good one. So I want to tell you about somebody who was charged with a number of different offenses, one being a DUI. That's typically the big charge. When you're charged with DUI, a lot of the other lower level misdemeanor charges just don't carry the same automatic mandatory penalties. So that's where we really want to focus on when people come to us with DUI charges. We want to make sure that we can address those. In this case, we addressed all of them. It was a good outcome. I want to show you a little bit about what the initial charges look like. You can see here, this is the actual form that we got from the police department, and it shows the charges there at the top. We have the name blocked out, of course, for confidentiality reasons, but those were the original charges. We had a DUI charge, which is the impaired to the slightest degree charge. We had a DUI drug or a drug metabolite in there, and then we had exceeding 85 miles per hour. So this person was the driver. Below that, the passenger had a number of other different drug charges as well, but they did not hire us. We only represented the driver facing the DUI charges. This happened out of the Wickenburg area, and they were cited into the Bagdad Yarnell Justice Court. It's sort of in the Wickenburg area up in the northwestern part of Arizona. A lot of people are traveling back there from, they go through this area when they're traveling up to Nevada or to Kingman, and they'll come back down and they go right through the Bagdad Yarnell Justice Court. So this individual who was charged with these offenses hired our office. It was a good decision. Anytime you're facing DUI charges or any criminal charges, it's always good to consult with an attorney. They did that. We worked the case up for quite a while, and we had a very good outcome on it. So this is the actual plea deal that was signed. Again, we blocked out the information so that it's confidential for confidentiality purposes. But you can see here again, it's the Bagdad Yarnell Justice Court, and the plea agreement here shows that rather than pleading guilty, so if you're charged with a crime and you want to plead guilty to that, you plead guilty. If you're charged with a civil violation like a traffic ticket, you plead responsible to that. So you can't plead guilty to a civil offense just like you can't plead responsible to a criminal offense. So you can see here that this individual was cited with 3 charges, and we ended up reducing it down to a plea of responsible to, here you can see, speed not reasonable and prudent. So it's a civil ticket. The maximum sentence down here, civil. And then you can see down here, under the dismissal section, the following charges and allegations are dismissed: A, B, C, and any other charges or allegations arising out of the incident. So essentially, all of those 3 charges, 2 DUI charges and a criminal speeding charge, drop down to a civil speeding charge. All of the other charges dismissed. Nothing can come back. Nothing is going to be additionally charged. Our client took this deal. It was a good outcome. We were happy that we could help. We believe it was one of the more just outcomes based on the evidence. What ends up happening a lot of the time is police, they just overcharge. They don't do their due diligence. And so people will come to us and they'll need help, and we'll make sure that we can exercise our muscle and ensure that their rights are being protected, and we can get great outcomes like that. So DUI charge, drop down into a civil charge out of an Arizona jurisdiction. We were happy to help. If you or somebody you know or love is facing similar charges or in a similar situation where you're facing criminal charges, give us a call. We offer free case evaluations. We'll have you come in. We'll sit down with you. We'll make sure that we have a plan in place for you, and we'll see what we can do to make this all go away as quickly as possible. Nothing to lose. Give us a call. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks for watching.